So how to stream or go live from your DJI RC drone to your YouTube or Facebook or any other social media platform. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. First of all, turn on your drone. I am turned on my drone, and go to your RC and go to a go fly option, and then you can see the top right corner 3 dotted, and at the same time I am opening the YouTube or Facebook or any other platform. I am using the YouTube. So press on go live option, go live, and you can optimize your title, description or a monetization option from here. So I am setting a test purpose. Press on save and scroll down, and then you can see the Steam URL, this option, Steam URL and Steam key. You need both of them. So go back to your drone and go to transmission and press on live stream platform, RTMP, and you have to enter those URL in this area, RTMP address. So I already add Facebook URL actually. So enter the URL and then / and then Steam key. If you press on this eye icon, you can see your Steam key as well. So I am entering the URL and Steam key, and once done, press on your Mbps and press on start. And you can notice your RC drone live option is already comes this on, and go back to the YouTube, and your YouTube skin also comes. So it's connected properly. So let's make a test. So RC drone and YouTube live stream on or 2-second delay. And now if you fly your drone, it's automatically stream to your YouTube audience. And now if you want to use microphone, then just insert it. Then you can see the microphone option also enable, and turn on your microphone, and you can use your microphone as well. And for Facebook, go to your Facebook, then go to your Facebook page or profile, then press on a live video option, then press on go live, and you have to select the Steam software, this on, and scroll down, and then you can see the advanced setting, this on, and then you can see the server URL. You have to copy it and paste it to your DJI RC transmission area as I write before, and then you have to enter the key as well. And you can share your YouTube live to your Facebook, WhatsApp, X, Pinterest or any other social media. So that's it. This is how you can easily connect both of them and go to live. So if you have any question or if you face any problem, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day, subscribe and thumbs up.